Wait, Facebook has a desktop app? Most Windows 10 users have no idea this exists. In the next 90 seconds, I'll show you how to install it and why it's a game changer for anyone who uses Facebook daily. First, click the search box on your taskbar and type Microsoft Store. Then, click on Microsoft Store from the results. It'll open in just a second. Once inside, look for the search bar at the top and type Facebook, then press Enter. Facebook will pop up in the results. Click on it to open the app's page. Now here's the easy part. Just click on Get button. The app will download and install automatically. You'll see the progress right there on screen. This usually takes less than a minute. When it's done, the button will change to Launch. To launch the application, click the search box on your taskbar and type Facebook. Then, click on Facebook from the search results that appear. And there you have it. The app is now open and ready. Just sign in with your Facebook email and password to get started.